Hello. In this video, we will examine consolidation settlement in shallow foundations. We will perform consolidation analysis at point G3, which we defined earlier in the model. Before starting the analysis, we need to enter the soil consolidation parameters in the Material Properties window. First, in the units list at the bottom right, we set the time unit to minutes. Then we click the Materials button in the Define menu. Here we see the three materials previously added to the model. We select the silt material. We double-click it to open the material properties. In the window, we switch to the Mechanical Properties tab. We right-click and select the Software Options button. From the options, we enable consolidation and click Apply. In this way, we activate the consolidation properties. On the left, we keep the overconsolidation ratio value as 3. The effective stress and preconsolidation pressure values are automatically defined based on the soil profile. To see the updated values here, we need to click the Apply button. Now let's enter the compression indices. We enter the compression index as 0.168. We enter the recompression index as 0.041. On the right side, we define the consolidation rate parameters. Here we enter the time required to reach 50% consolidation, which is the T50 value. We enter 4.2 minutes. Below that, we enter the T90 value, which is the time required to reach 90% consolidation, as 13.9 minutes. Next, we calculate the consolidation coefficients. We click the Calculate button on the right to compute the consolidation coefficients. Then we click Apply. In the same way, we double-click the clay material to open its properties. Now we enter the consolidation properties for this material. We set the overconsolidation ratio to 4. Then we enter the compression index as 0.172. We set the recompression index to 0.048. We enter the T50 value as 6 minutes. We set the T90 value as 14.9 minutes. Next, we click the Calculate button on the right. This calculates the consolidation coefficients. Now we click Apply. We click Apply once more to confirm the properties. In the next video, we will define the required settings for consolidation analysis in the soil profiles. Thanks for watching.